Hey YouTube family, I am back finally with another video. I know I've been MIA for a minute, but it's just been crazy with the businesses and everything, so I have not been uploading like I should, but those things are going to change. I have a lot of content ahead for you guys, and I hope you enjoy all the videos that I'm about to be putting out. But in this specific video, this one is going to be an unboxing of the BTArtbox 30000 RPM electric Efile nail drill. I decided to go ahead and get one of these. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this for my own money. All the information of where you can purchase it will be listed down below in the description box. But I purchased this because if you are an oldie but goodie to my channel, you know that I use the nail gel polish for my nails, and I'll link the video that I did a while ago either up at the top or down in the description of how I do my nails. Well, I've decided to switch up, and I really wanted to try this thing that's the new fad now, this polygel nails. And so when I've been reading about it, they've been saying that it's really good to have an Efile nail drill to be able to file the polygel down rather than just using a hand file. I do have my hand files, but I decided to get this since this is something else that I wanted to start doing. So you will have those contents too. I will be trying a lot of different polygel nail designs on my nails. So stay tuned for those videos. But this one is just getting into this unboxing of this nail drill, which I purchased from Amazon. Again, everything will be listed below for you guys. I'm just showing you how the packaging looks. This is how it was shipped to me. It's a portable professional nail drill. It goes up to 30,000 RPMs. It lists the product specifications just in case if you're interested in purchasing this. Now we can get into the actual unboxing and what all comes inside of this package. The first little card here is an extended warranty, which I thought was real great. You get an additional 12 months extended warranty if you send them an email with your information. So make sure to do that if you do decide to purchase this. This drill is a DR2031 is the model number, and then they give you a little instruction manual of how to work the drill and what you need to do to use it and how to use it. This is the actual base for the drill, I would call it. I don't know what the specific terminology is, but this is the base. It says nail drill professional, and you see it goes from 0, the dial goes from 0 all the way to 30,000 RPM. It also has this on and off button in the front. It has a F for forward and a R for reverse. On this side is where you're going to plug in the actual drill and your foot pedal, and the back is the DC power cord. And that's just a little tag that's underneath the machine. At the top right there is where you're going to sit your drill at, and the little slots at the top is where you're going to sit your 6 drill bits. This is the big pack of sanding mans that they give you. Those are all the same textured ones, and then you have some different ones in here with your drill bits. You also have this the foot pedal that comes with the machine. and that is the power cord. And I was just making sure there wasn't nothing left in the box that I didn't pull out. But the last thing would be the actual drill itself. Now here, I'm just showing you that this is the side that you're going to plug in your handpiece jack. And then you also have your foot pedal jack, which I will be plugging that up in a second as well. And in the back, I'm going to plug in the DC power cord. Just a little information on the drill. It says the speeds is from 3,000 to 30,000 RPMs. The input voltage is from 110 to 240 voltage. The dimensions is 4.1 by 4.1 by 4.1 inches. And the total weight is 1.12 pounds or 508 grams. According to the manufacturer, it says that this drill can do thick nails, dip powder nails, acrylic nails, gel nails, nail prep, manicure and pedicure. It could even take off callus and dead skin. The manufacturer also states that this is a powerful nail drill with high speeds and quiet. It's a powerful motor and strong stability. It's aluminum alloy handpiece, and it has low noise and low vibration, which is true. When I turned this on, it is very quiet, but of course, as you get higher in the speed, of course, it gets louder. This right here is the power button, and once you turn it on, you see the red light at the top comes on, and when you turn it off, it goes off, so you'll know when the device is cut on. Now here, I'm just messing with the speeds to see how fast it goes from 3,000 on up. And this is when I noticed that my foot pedal kept getting stuck. So right out the box of me unpackaging this, the foot pedal was not working. It kept getting jammed, like I was pushing it, but it wouldn't cut off. It just stayed on. So the foot pedal kept getting jammed. Thank goodness I did fill out that form where I have the warranty for an extra 12 months, because if it doesn't stop sticking, then I will send it back. And I also started messing around to make sure I had everything plugged in correctly, and it seems like when I pushed the foot pedal plug in, then it started working a little bit better, but it still got jammed a little bit, so we'll see how it turns out. Now here, I'm going to let you hear how it sounds from 0 all the way to 30,000 RPMs. Now here I'm going to be removing the drill bits that comes with it, and it's 6 drill bits. I'm going to remove them and I'm going to place them in the drill bit holder on the top of the machine. In this nail drill bit set, you get 6 sanding bands, and it's different textures for coarser or softer nails. There are 6 of these nail drill bits. They are gentle diamond bits, heavy duty stainless steel shank. You have 6 nail drill bits that come with the set. One is a needle head, which says it polishes nail edges, a bullet head, which polishes nail side edge, a cone head, which polishes the nail and refers to the skin, a mandrel, which you use with your sanding bands, a large cylinder head, which polishes thick nails and shortens the nail, and a small cylinder head, which polishes thick nails. Now this bag of sanding bands that came with it are all the same thing in the bag. They're not different textures like in this pack with the 6 drill bits. Just the one that I'm pointing at now, that's the whole bag of them that you get, but you don't get the coarser ones in the bag, if that makes sense. You just get the ones that would be textured for your real nails. But you can use them on polygel nails or acrylic nails as well. They're just not the coarser sanding bands. Now here I was just trying to see if the sanding bands can fit on that smaller drill bit, but it cannot. But I was just testing it out to see. The sanding bands go on this specific drill bit that I am about to put inside of the drill now. And I just wanted to apologize for my dogs barking in the background. Now right here I'm showing you that is the lock position and that is the unlock position. You must make sure before you turn on your drill that you have it in the lock position. You place it in the unlock position to remove the drill bits and then lock it back. And as you see, I just turned off the machine just for safety measures. I didn't want it to cut on accidentally or anything while I'm trying to change the nail drill bits out. So just make sure your machine is turned off. Put your drill bit in the unlock position, and then please make sure you lock it back. Now here I'm just testing it out on my finger, but I have it at a very low speed, the lowest speed, which is 3,000 RPMs, and I'm just showing you the speed that is going with the sanding band, and it's very soft. If you push down on it, it will literally stop. So it's on a low position, and I just wanted to feel how it would feel on my finger versus when I put it on my nail. As I stated previously, it has the convenience of having the 6 drill bit holder right there at the top where you can place all 6 of the drill bits in it. The machine came with a little silver piece inside of the machine, I guess just as a placeholder. So I stuck that in the top because the mandrel is already on the nail, the Efile machine. So.
You can't read?
Now hold up. If you got this far in the video and you have not hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? I'll wait. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now I'm just placing everything that came in the set here so you can see the sanding bands, the drill bits, the instruction manual, and also the little card to get an extended 12-month warranty on the Efile machine. Now, if you listen here, the foot pedal got stuck yet again. So I don't know how good this is going to turn out, but it got stuck and then it fixed itself. Now I'm just preparing a paper towel because I'm going to try it out on one of my nails just to see how the Efile works on natural nails. I did notice here that I had the speed a little too high. I want to say I think I had it between 12 and 15,000 RPMs. So then I turned it down to about 5,000 RPMs, and I saw that it was still a little too high for my liking, so I turned it down to the lowest setting, which was the 3,000 RPMs. Here, I'm just showing you that I have it on the lowest setting, which was the 3,000 RPMs. So that is everything with this unboxing. I'm not sure how this machine is going to hold up, especially with the foot pedal constantly getting stuck. But we will see. We will see if the company replaces it or if they don't, because I did the extended 12-month warranty. I will keep you guys posted, and I will also do an actual review on the machine once I've used it a couple of times so I can give a fair, honest review. But thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for quite a bit of content coming your way. Thank you again, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Words of inspiration. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. Stay blessed.